right. Welcome. You are in tune with Nabu, the ruler, where we rule with what? Greatness. Okay, so this is going to be technically my first video. I'm just going to get straight to the point. I received a text message about in regards to starting your own nonprofit organization. So today I am going to give you the steps to start your own nonprofit organization. First things first, you need to go to, if you live in Wisconsin, you need to go to the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institution. In the Department of Financial Institutions, you press on there somewhere to start a corporation or a business or corporation or LLC. And what you're going to do is you're going to press the button to start a business. Put in the name that you want your company to have. They'll tell you if it's okay or if it's not okay. First of all, if it's not okay, then you have to name it something else, or you just put a twist on your name. So, for instance, say my business is Infinity Construction or Pita Pit. Instead of using Pita Pit, because somebody's probably using it in Wisconsin, I can the Pit Pita or the Pita or whatever, Incorporated, INC or LLC. Okay, LLC is a limited liability company. That means you have a limited liability. You're partially liable for the company. And then you have a incorporation. Let me just break it down the way I break it down. And incorporation means I'm like Johnson & Johnson or Harley Davidson or something like that. I'm a big company. And for me, I prefer to look as if I am a huge company so I can get a huge credit, okay? So first thing you need to do is go to the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institution and start a business, and you're going to file your articles of incorporation there. So if you're a nonprofit, you'll be paying $35 to do so. If you're a for-profit, you're going to be paying about $100, maybe $125, okay? In Wisconsin. In other companies, you can still follow the same steps. You just look for your state Secretary of State where you are able to file your articles. Okay, so that's the first step. First step is what? First step is to go file your articles, your business. Okay, we have to get in the mindset of being a business owner. Boom. Okay, next step, step number 2, go to the irs.gov, or some people say IRA, irs.gov. Then go to apply for EIN. That is your employee identification number, okay? Get this in your head, get this terminology in your head so you can know. Employee identification number is your Social Security number for your business. Okay, there are 9 numbers for your Social Security number, and they're in different dashes. The dashes is just in a different place when it comes to your business. Okay, so they're going to give you, once you file and fill that out, once you fill that out, they're going to give you a Social Security number for your business called the EIN number. Okay, so step 1 was articles of incorporation. You're going to pay, if you're a nonprofit, you're going to pay $35 in Wisconsin. And for a for-profit, you're going to pay about $100, okay? So the second step was what? IRS.gov, EIN number. Boom. So, okay, you got your articles, you have your EIN number, okay? Great. What's the next step? Let's get our phone number for the business. You need a phone number, okay? You need a domain name. You need So, say your business name is Pita Pit. You need to get the domain name Pita Pit. You need to get pitapit.com. So you have a business email address. Okay, I need you to get a business phone number. Go to eVoice, and I am not sponsored by any of them, but this is what I've done in the past. Go to eVoice.com, or there are other voice services where you can have your business set up and it sounds great, sounds good, but it goes straight to your voicemail or your cell phone, and you can answer the phone like that, but it still looks professional. After you get your articles, your EIN, your business phone number, your business email address, get a website, Don't get, please do not get peterpitt@gmail.com. It does not look professional. Let's not do that, okay? Follow the steps that I'm giving you. Get Google, no. Yahoo, no. You need to get a professional email address. So your email, if it says, if your name is, your business name is Harley Davidson, I need you to have info@harleydavidson.com. I don't need you to have harleydavidson@gmail.com or Ymail or YouTube. I mean, not YouTube, Yahoo. I need you, it looks to professional. Boom. Okay? We don't need to look unprofessional, because what's going to happen is businesses are not, banks and things like that are not going to give you any business. They're not going to give you any play, anything. So I need you to make sure that you get a professional email address. You're like, okay, where do I go to get an email address? You can get a domain. Get a domain name from GoDaddy, or a domain from 1and1.com. It's various places where you can go and have your email hooked up. You can even go to Vistaprint, and Vistaprint sign up for a website. Right now you can sign up for a website free. No, not free. Cheap. Maybe $3 or $3, $4, or $5 at Vistaprint.com. I believe about $13. I'm sorry. $13, $19, something. I don't know. But you can go there, Vistaprint, and build you a little website. Don't be scared about building you a website. If you don't want to do it, go to Fiverr, Fiverr.com, and those individuals on there will build you a website easily. Get you a logo. Make sure your stuff looks professional, okay? So I've already told you about your articles of incorporation. I'm repeating myself so you can make sure that you know what you're doing and your stuff is professional, and I made sure I covered all of what I'm saying. All of it, it's step by step. We're going step by step. So articles of incorporation, EIN number. After your EIN number, I need you to get a domain name, an eVoice account. And then for your business, I need you to go to 411 and register, or list yourself, or whatever it's called, listyourself.com, and list yourself in the 411. So when somebody looks you up or calls you 411, you put that information in, and they can recognize you. This is what I need you to make sure you do. Make sure the information that you put on your articles of incorporation, which is the address and whatnot, I need that address to match your what? I need you to match everything across the board. So if it's your EIN number, that information that you put on the articles needs to match the EIN information. If you put it on your the domain name, everything needs to always match, because what's happened is I'm telling you step by step on how to build your nonprofit organization. Then I'm also telling you how to build business credit. Okay, so I'm giving you a 2-for-1 for free. All right, now next step. Okay, you have your EIN, you have the articles, you have and on the. So now we're going to move forward, and we're going to go to you need $275, and you need to go to 1023EZ on the IRS.gov and apply for a nonprofit organization. You're going to fill out that application. Now, it's not that hard. It's simple. Fill out the information on the site. Okay, now it's 3 ways they can charge you for $275. If you do it online, you will have, what's today? I believe today is Tuesday. Yeah, today is Tuesday. If you do it today, you will have your you will have your nonprofit organization status by next week, Tuesday. Okay, now this is information I'm giving you, free information. It's good information. Now I'm giving it to you free. Now if you need to hire me to do so, now I'm gonna charge you. I'm not gonna charge you an arm and a leg, but I will charge you. Like if you need me to do the EIN number, I'll charge you for that. If you need me to do the articles, I'll charge you for that. And then you're also going to have to create your articles of incorporation, your actual files, your forms. Those articles need to be created as well. But I've already told you all the steps that you need to do to create your nonprofit status. And so on that application, the 23EZ form at irs.gov. You're going to fill out. It's not complicated. Don't overthink it. If you want to create a boys' home for the youth, that's what you let them know. They're going to ask you, what services do you provide? Okay. When are you going to be open? Let them know the days that you think that you're going to be open. Okay. We're going to be open from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. What services are you going to provide? The service that we're going to provide, I don't know. What services are you going to be providing? Day space, mentoring, and blah, blah, blah. That's how you do that, okay? Put that information in your application, okay? So, what else? It's just really simple. So now you fill out that form, and then you're going to, it's going to tell you to also add their board of directors. You need a board of directors, okay? So I would say get somebody who can do finances, who you could get your mama, your daddy, your cousin, and yourself on the board of directors. You just really need 3 people, okay? And if you intending to pay those people, you got to let them know that you're going to pay those people over $75,000 or whatever, some crazy price. But you have to let them know that. Usually people don't pay the board of directors. The board of directors are usually volunteer, but you need to put that in the application, okay? So after you fill out that application, there's going to be a form somewhere on there so you can pay $275. If you're doing 10 easy, if you're going to be a smaller nonprofit organization, you pay $25. You're going to be a huge nonprofit organization, you're going to pay $800 for this application, okay? Now, before you do get to this 10 easy, you need to do all the other steps I have already went over several times, okay? So now, boom, articles, boom, EIN, boom, I have my domain name, I'm registered, I'm all this good stuff. Great. Now you have your nonprofit organization. You apply, you pay that $275, you're a nonprofit. Guess what? Next thing you need to do is call me and say thank you. No, I'm just kidding. Say, girl, I appreciate you. You hooked me up. No. The next thing you need to do after you do that is you have that nonprofit status. Now, I know a lot of people want to get free stuff. You can get a lot of free stuff for the nonprofit organization, but make sure you do right with your nonprofit organization. Okay? I'm not going to tell you all the things that you can do in this email, this YouTube. I'm going to just let you know that you are all set to go. So, those are the steps to get a nonprofit organization. Okay? Now, if you have comments, you can put those comments in the comment section and I will reply. If you need to DM me, you can DM me on Instagram at Nabu the Ruler. If you need to have any more questions or whatever, if you want to hire me, DM me at Nabu the Ruler, or you can email me at nabutheruler@gmail.com. The other things that you need to know, the next video will be teaching you how to, once you get that nonprofit organization, how you can, what you can do with it. You can, people can donate houses to you, donate houses, food, cars. I have received houses, I've received cars before, vans, furniture. You can get furniture from Steinhoffels, you can get it Walgreens, Walmart, whatever. So if you like this video and if you want more, you understand me, then subscribe. Okay, this is my first video, but I gave you a whole lot of information. Subscribe to my video, give me a thumbs up, and tell your friends about me. Okay, Nabu the Ruler, where we rule with what? Greatness. Sound. Now I'm going to let